It was a beautiful, sunny afternoon in the park. The birds were singing, and the sun felt like a warm hug. Rizwan skipped along the path, his pocket jangling with 2 shiny coins. He had been waiting all week for this special treat. Around the corner stood the most colorful truck Rizwan had ever seen. It was the ice cream van. Mr. Kareem, the ice cream man, waved a friendly greeting. "Hello, Rizwan. What will it be today?" he asked with a twinkle in his eye. Rizwan didn't want just one flavor. He wanted 2. Mr. Kareem handed him a strawberry cone that looked like a pink cloud and a mint cone that looked like a cool forest. Rizwan took one in each hand, feeling like the luckiest boy in the world. "Be careful, Rizwan," Mr. Kareem called out with a chuckle. Rizwan nodded and began his very important walk. He stepped slowly, one foot in front of the other, balancing the wobbling scoops of sweetness. Suddenly, a bright yellow butterfly decided to join the parade. It fluttered right past Rizwan's nose, tickling him. "Wait! Come back!" Rizwan giggled, momentarily forgetting about his careful balancing act. Oh no! Rizwan's foot caught on a small stone. He stumbled, and with a soft splat-splat, both ice creams slipped from his hands. They landed right on the sidewalk, turning into a messy puddle of pink and green. Rizwan looked down at the ground. His hands felt empty, and his tummy felt a little bit sad. He thought about his lost coins and his lost treats. For a moment, it felt like the sun had hidden behind a cloud. But then, Rizwan noticed something moving. A tiny ant scout had climbed onto the edge of the strawberry puddle. Then came another, and another. They were wiggling their antennae in excitement at the giant sugary feast. Rizwan's frown began to turn upside down. He thought about how happy the ants must be to find a mountain of ice cream. He threw his head back and let out a big, bright laugh. "Now the ants will enjoy," he shouted happily. Rizwan walked home with a light heart and a big smile. He realized that even when things go wrong, there's always something to be happy about. After all, smiling makes sadness feel much smaller